Welcome back to Dawson Kelly's Closeted Food Review. Today, I've got a Hungry Man chicken frozen dinner. It's a great product. You can microwave it if you want, save some time, or you can put it in the oven. Either way, it comes out quite nice. Let's try it. Chicken is crispy. Good material. Good consistency. Oh shit. Potatoes are kind of thin, I'd say. Kind of watery. It's pretty gross. Then it comes with corn. Corn is, well, it's corn. Frozen corn. It's good stuff. Also have the brownie. Not very good. It's kind of lame, but overall, you can cook this in like 5 minutes in the microwave. If you want a more even sort of thing, you can put it in the oven. It's good too. The chicken is good. That's what you're coming to buy. Plus, it's only $1.99 at Walmart. I'm gonna say this one's a buy.
I'm as hard as hell, and you're about to get shot.